All right, so here we are. We got our ingredients together. We got butter, eggs, baking soda, vanilla, baking powder, salt, sugar, and flour, all-purpose, right?
All-purpose flour, yep.
And then we got, you know, for the chocolate chips, we got some Andes mints, and we got some.
These are our triple chocolate fudge mint cookies.
Boom, what she said.
So 1 1/4 cups of butter.
Okay. Make sure, hopefully I'm recording this right. So she just took away the important piece, but here's the mixer. This is a 6-quart, right?
Yeah.
Yep. 6-quart KitchenAid. We got the industrial cocoa here that we're going to be using as well. And then we got all the tools here. So we're going to be mixing the butter first. So let's make sure. Just want to make sure that I have this on right. So taking it, there's going to be a little noise here. So and our dogs are over here eating dog food. So we are not doing this professionally. So we're going to be as clean as we can. We cleaned the counter, we cleaned everything up, we washed our hands, but we won't be selling these commercially, so we're just giving them out to our friends and family. They are going to be baked to the point of no return, so we're hoping any other germs that happen there will be baked off. So what I like to do, it's been a while, I just like to beat these things up pretty good. And then I like to take care of trash right away. So we'll do 2 cups of white sugar. We're gonna do our cupper thing here. So I just go in. Yeah, that seems about right. And seems about right. So you put that in there so you can see. And then eggs are next, I believe. So we'll do 2 eggs. There we go. Slap them eggs in there. Boom. And I do have to say this is different than mixing cakes. So
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. All right.
And then you let that all whip up together nicely.
That's right. So I hyperspace that sucker. So basically you stop it, drop it, get those butters out from in there.
Nice and blended.
Hopefully you guys can see that. Using my new head strap camera thing. And I really can't tell where I'm at. All right, there we go. You can see how it breaks it up in there. Basically what I'm seeing is what it's supposed to be seeing, so. Look at that, oh yeah! We got a nice spin on those. And this is a really important part. So rip it really good. No pun. No trademark infringement either. Don't finish the song, Laura. Okay. And then we just make sure we don't have big old chunky chunks in there. If this doesn't set right, your cookies don't come out right. So it's really important to get this mix done right. Yeah. We do cocoa next. Okay. All right, doing cocoa next, so you have to slow the blender down.
3/4 of a cup, clearly.
Holy moly.
A little more than.
You have to be careful with this cocoa because it'll poof up and get all everywhere. So you just mix this up a little bit. We're doing hot water next.
It doesn't, that's the cake.
Oh, okay, yeah. So now we're just mixing those.
So it has 1 teaspoon teaspoon of baking soda. Oh, I haven't used this
New
before.
baking soda. Yep, so she's gonna take the forever route. I'm just gonna go, yeah, it's supposed to right here, but. There we go. Well, this baking soda is really in there, you guys.
So 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Oh my. 2 teaspoons of baking powder?
And 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
If I can ever get it open. Holy moly. God. All right.
Okay.
All right. There's that. And mix that up a little bit.
And
Okay.
half a teaspoon of salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt. Oh, wrong end. Come on, Laura. Guess which end it is.
The right one.
Wide open. Okay.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Salt's important, you guys. Okay. What do you got next?
Then we have flour. Then we need 3 cups of flour.
Ooh, 3 cups of flour. Let me
get to
do
do
it.
that one.
Yeah. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. That looks good. There's 1. There's 2. And there is 3. All right. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, gotta be careful because that thing will get away from you. So, at this point, you want to stop and kind of clean up just a little bit. Probably a little more crazy and conscious about that because after a while, you won't be able to see anything. If there's clumps and bumps and woohoos. All right. Yeah, that seems about right. That's cookie consistency right there. Oh man, Laura. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, it's getting there. You hear it?
Cookie consistency.
Okay.
So 2 cups of chocolate go in this.
So that's about 2 cups.
1 cup of chocolate chips and a cup of the Andes baking chips.
Okay.
And then we still have some baking chips, so once we frost them, we can sprinkle
put 'em in
baking
the-
chips on top.
Good. Are you did you put the chocolate chips in already?
You did.
I did not.
Yeah, you did. You just dumped them in.
I did?
You just want 2 more cups.
When did I do that? Oh well. Oh, look at that. That's chocolate chip cookies right there, you guys.
Those are the chocolate
Oh man, look at that. They
chip
seem dry.
cookies. Yeah. No?
I mean, it's hard because I make cake so much. It's hard to differentiate.
It's cookie dough for sure.
Oh, cookie dough. And then you just kind of push it out of here. And before you drop the paddle.
These bake on 350 for 10 to 12 minutes.
That's it.
That's how they go.
And we'll come back when it's time. So this is how the cookies get scooped. What are you
cookie
using,
scoop.
babe? Cookie scoop? That's awesome.
For people who like Pampered Chef,
That's right.
we have them from there. Or if you know of Gigi's, you're lucky enough to know about them, they have them there. So yeah, you can get them.
Not
places.
an endorsement. But good tools. Nice round little chocolate cookies.
Even cookies.
We're going to start putting some of these cookies on the pan so they can bake. Panning the cookies, it's really important that you you know, don't be too crazy perfect about it, but, you know, spread them out about 12 per pan. Make sure you spray it with vegetable oil or something so the pan doesn't abuse the bottom of the cookie. And then you can see the little Andes mints on them. Oh, so good. And then you pop them in your oven right there. Probably not smart. I'm never smart, but yeah. Are out.
First batch of chocolate ones.
Look at that. Those going in.
And then you let those that just came out sit for about 2 minutes before you try to take them off.
And you set up a nice cool area like we have over here. And that way they can cool off a little bit better. Awesome. Oh, look at those cookies. Beautiful. Decorations going on over here. Decorating.
One of the fun parts of doing honeybees cookies is you get to make them look amazing.
So you got the chocolate buttercream.
Chocolate buttercream.
And the Andes candies.
And then you just swirl it. And then you put the candies on top.
Oh yeah.
And they are delicious.
Beautiful. Thank you. With our cookie production. Check it out. Oh yeah.